I have to say, and my family agrees, this is the best stuffing recipe. I'm Tess, and join me as I make this delicious sausage and apple stuffing just in time for the holidays. Stay tuned. You can use any cubed bread. Many use day-old bread to decrease the moisture, but today I'm using a local brand of potato bread stuffing cubes. To give them a toasting, I'm putting 16 ounces of these cubes in a 275-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the bread cubes are dry, and tossing them about halfway through. This will help prevent the stuffing from being mushy or becoming a big glob. Adding sausage to stuffing is such a game changer. I'm using a turkey breakfast sausage that I took off the casing. The seasonings in the sausage will mimic the fresh herbs that I will be adding in the stuffing. Along with the traditional onions and celery, I also have 1 Granny Smith apple for a bite of sweetness. The next step is making the sausage filling. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 pound of breakfast sausage. Cooking, chopping, and stirring for about 5 minutes or until the sausage is no longer pink. Adding in 1 large finely diced onion, 3 stalks of celery, and a cubed apple, and you can use any kind of apple. A dash of salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for about 3 minutes or until the onions start to change color. This is 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped sage, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary and thyme. Cooking and stirring for another minute and then turning off my heat to slightly cool. You can also use dried herbs, but you will want to decrease the amount by 1/3 or half, or to your taste. In a large bowl, I have my toasted bread cubes, and I'm adding in my sausage mixture and giving it a good toss. Now I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley for some brightness and a little more salt and black pepper. This is 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, and again, it's going to enhance those fresh herbs and give it that Thanksgiving taste. Adding in 2 eggs and another good toss to incorporate everything. You can use chicken or turkey broth. I have a total of 3 cups of homemade chicken broth, and I'm adding in a little at a time and stirring. We don't like the stuffing real wet, so you can add or decrease the amount of broth that you like. Pouring everything into a well-buttered 9x13 pan and leveling out lightly. Covering with foil and baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, then removing the foil and baking for an additional 10 minutes or until the top is slightly golden brown. When I'm asked what holiday food is my favorite, it is hands down the stuffing. Some turkey and filling and topped with gravy, that's good enough for me. What is your favorite holiday food? Let me know in the comments section below. I have lots of other holiday recipes on my channel, and if you have a chance, please check them out. This sausage stuffing is so good and addicting, and it will make a great addition to the holiday table. I hope you give my sausage stuffing a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!